Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in a house today and they got this drain backing up from the basement. So it's right there. So basically we were here about a month ago and we were able to snake it out, but not from there, from the breather line outside. So from the breather outside, got everything going. When we tried snake it from here, we couldn't get out. We did notice that the only stack in the house right here doesn't have a clean out on it. So that's actually what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be cutting this pipe here and installing a 4-inch wire with a 3-inch cap that we can put a cap on here, and we will have access if this ever happens again. We know outside there's a building trap. There's most likely going to be wet wipes or something. I believe that's what we pulled out, or tampons last time. Not exactly sure, I can't remember. But let's hook up the snap cutters and we'll snap this, and hopefully it doesn't crush. If it does, then we'll bring out the grinder and grind it to get everything going. And yeah, everything should be good to go. So let's start. Before we start, did you guys know the average heart can pump blood up to 30 feet away? Crazy. We're gonna make our first cut up here and our second cut down here. This feels a little, it's all pitted, so hopefully it doesn't just crush. If it does, we may have to cut the hub out. Maybe we'll start down at the, no, we're gonna start up here where it's cleaner. We got the rigid number 22 snap cutters. It looks like it might be crushing. So you can see it's crushing there. We're gonna put the grinder out, so I'll be back in a minute. All right, still looking good. Okay, so I got the grinder. I forgot to bring down the extension cord, so obviously I gotta get that. I'm gonna try the snap cutters on this one. This looks like better shape. So hopefully this will snap out, and then I'll take the snap cutters out to the truck, and then I will bring the extension cord in for the grinder. There we go. I don't know if you can see the crack there. There. Seriously. Alright, I'm gonna go bring in the extension cord, so I'll be right back. Again, for some reason, I don't have any safety glasses. Wear your safety glasses when you're doing stuff like this. Probably gonna have to talk to the landlord about digging it up and replacing it. But until that time, deal with what we got. Do you guys know that awkward moment when you're talking to the camera for 5 minutes after finishing the drain and it's not recording? Yeah, that's what just happened. So as you can see, we got it off. I'm gonna put that like that. Put a couple pieces here. So. As you guys can see, Cleanout's in. Now we're just gonna do a quick wrap. I will put the camera back on when we get everything going. Are you guys ready? Here we go. That's a little bit better. Here we go. Okay, so this seems to be where the problem's going to be. Or maybe not. Maybe I'm just going through the trap. Alright, so we went through the trap and the problem's still not fixed. So that means it's out more towards the feet. We're going to put in the 5th cable, which is 75 feet. Hey boss, can I get you to flush the toilet for me? Thank you. I gotta tighten out that coupling there, it's leaking. I want to show you guys. So you can see, that's where it backs up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap up down here. We're going to go outside to the breather and see if we can snake from there. We know this line is 100% clear now. So now we know it's outside. But it's going to be pretty close to the city line. So, but anyway, let's go outside and we'll take a look. So I just want to show you everything that I pulled out so far. They're all tampons. That's why they call them sewer mice. So now let's go outside. It was at this moment, while I'm editing these videos, I realized we did not go outside. Well, we did, but the video will not load. And I don't know why. So basically what we did, we went outside, we snaked the main building trap that was out front of the house, and we went out 45 feet. The blockage was right before the city line. This is something they're going to have to get the city involved in, because we can't go on the road and start digging up. We could always take out that trap, which would be good, but we can't go on the city and start digging up their drains. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trogna.